For this video, we'll be cutting purlins from 2x6 boards. This option may be used if you have stock on hand that works for this. For example, if your purlins are 2x3s and you are cutting 2 from a 2x6 board. If you already have purlins of the appropriate size, you can skip this video. We're starting by marking the center of the boards so that we can rip them in half. Assuming your boards are straight, you can use them as a straight edge to mark the cut line. Sometimes boards will have internal stresses that cause the board to pinch on the saw blade when cutting, which is happening here. To make this cut safely, knock a shim in the saw kerf to keep it open while you perform the rip cut. You can see at this point where the internal stresses cause the end of the cut to split off the board. As with the other pieces, we recommend dressing the cut edges with an 1/8 inch roundover bit. That's all in the purlins for now. Next we'll move on to dry fitting everything together.